Hello kids, today we will be doing lesson 2 of your new Pathways Enrichment Reader book. Today we will be doing lesson 2 of your new Pathways Enrichment Reader book. Yes, everybody take out page number 13 of your book. Yes, the pails of milk. So today we will read and understand the chapter The Pails of Milk. The pails of milk. Yes, children, the meaning of the word pails is bucket. Yes, the buckets of milk. Jane the milkmaid had just finished milking her cow. Can you see in the picture there is a woman who is milking the cow? Yes, her name is Jane. Jane is milking the cow and she is a milkmaid. So, who is a milkmaid? Milkmaid is a woman who milks the cow or who does delivery of milk. Okay, so Jane is a milkmaid. So now Jane is a milkmaid. She has just finished milking her cow. And then what has she got? She got two full pails of fresh creamy milk. She got two full buckets of fresh creamy milk. And Jane is very happy because she got two pails of fresh creamy milk. The milk looked delicious and she was sure there would be many buyers for it. Now Jane planned to sell the milk in the market, and she was sure since the milk looks very delicious, she knows that she will get money. She will get good money in return, and she will have many buyers who will want to buy her delicious milk. She put both pails on the ends of a stick. Now, what she did, she took a stick and then she put both the pails on the ends of the stick, and she's balancing that stick on her shoulders. And now she sets off to the market to sell the milk. Now she's going to the market to sell the milk. She hummed a nice melody as she walked along the village road. Now she hummed a nice melody. Hummed means she sang in a very low tone. Very low tone means she was just singing. She was just singing in a very low, nice tone because she was very happy. She got two full pails of milk. Melody means tone. Hummed means she was singing in a very low tone. Yes, she was singing in her mind. She was just singing. This is called humming, children. She hummed a nice melody as she walked along the village road. She was feeling happy and a bit excited too. Now, why was Jane happy? Jane was happy because she was able to sell the milk in the market and she will get money in return. So she was very happy and excited too. She started to think of the fresh milk in the pails and all the money she would get from selling it. Now she knew that there is very creamy milk in the pails and she is going to get good money from selling the milk. So she was just thinking about it and she was humming the tune. She started to think of the fresh milk in the pails and all the money she would get from selling it. When I get the money, I'll buy a chicken, she decided. And then she thought that with the money she will get after selling the milk, she will buy a chicken from it. And then again, she's thinking, the chicken will lay eggs, and from the eggs, I will get more chickens. Soon, I'll have a lot of chickens. They will all lay eggs, which I can sell. I will make so much more money. Now, Jane is thinking that the money she will get from selling the pails of milk, she's going to buy a chicken. And when the chicken will grow up, it will turn into a hen, and then hen will lay eggs, and then she plans that from the eggs there will be more chickens, and then those chickens will again turn into hen. They will lay more eggs, and then she will be able to sell so many eggs. And then she is imagining the amount of money she is going to get. She thinks that now she will become very rich. And then she thinks that
I'll buy the house on the hill. And then she thinks that from the money she is going to get from selling the eggs, she is going to buy the house on the hill. I will be the envy of everyone in the village. Now she's again thinking it has not happened. She has not sold the milk in the market. She's just thinking. Now she's thinking that after selling the milk, she will buy a chicken. The chicken will lay eggs, and those eggs will again turn into chickens. Those chickens will lay more eggs, and then she's going to sell those more eggs into the market. And then she's imagining how much money she is going to make out of it. And then she imagines that she is going to buy the house on the hills from that money. And then I will be the envy of everyone in the village. Now, envy means I will be the envy that everyone in the village will want to have my kind of house. The house which I bought, now they will be jealous of me and they will want the same kind of house that I have. And then they will want to visit me to see my new house. And then she is imagining, she is thinking that then those villagers will come to see me. They will come to visit me to see my new house, and they will also want to see my new chicken farm. But then she thought that I'll refuse. I'll say, no, no, no. I'll say to them. Now Jane is thinking, when the visitors will come, when the people will come to visit my new house, and they will want to visit my new house and the chicken farm, I will not let them enter my house and the chicken farm. I'll just refuse. Refuse means I'll say no. I'll say no, no, no. I'll say to them. And then the milkmaid tossed her head. Tossed her head means she shook her head. Yes, she shook her head strongly, as she thought how she will turn the villagers away. Now she thought that she shook her head. No, 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 I'll say to the villagers. She did like this. And when she shook her head to just send the villagers away, what happened? Yes, the balance. She was not able to balance the stick on the shoulders. The stick fell, and all the pails fell too on the road. With all the shaking, when she tossed her head during the imagination, when she was imagining, she tossed her head. She did like this. Yes, and with all the shaking, she dropped the stick balance. Now she could not keep the balance. She was balancing those sticks. She was balancing a stick, and on that stick there were pails of milk. Now she got disbalanced, children. Yes, and then by the time she realized that she was daydreaming. Daydreaming means she was just imagining in her mind. She was dreaming with her eyes open when she was awake, right? So pails fell on the road with a loud clang. Now what happened? Yes, when the stick got disbalanced, when she was not able to keep the balance, the stick fell from her shoulder. The pails fell on the ground, and the pail fell on the road with a loud clang. Loud clang means with a loud sound, and the milk spilled onto the ground while Jane cried. Now Jane cried. Why did Jane cry? Because now the milk spilled onto the ground. The milk had spilled onto the ground. Spilled means fell jana. The milk spilled onto the ground, and Jane cried badly. She was very sad that the milk had fell on the ground, and she was just daydreaming. Nothing has happened. She was just dreaming.
So, children, what did you learn from this story? In this story, we saw that Jane the milkmaid was daydreaming all the time. She was just thinking and thinking and thinking. And at the end, she did not receive anything. She could not sell the pails of milk in the market, and she could get no money. Yes, so what did we learn from the story? We learned that we need to start doing whatever we have thought. We have to put our thoughts into actions. We need to do whatever we have thought, we need to do it to achieve our goals. And for that, we need to put in that much of efforts. We need to put in efforts. Need to do whatever we have thought, and then only we will be able to achieve our goals. Children, while going through the lesson, we came across some difficult words. Let us know the meanings of those difficult words. The first word is milkmaid. The meaning of the word milkmaid is a woman who milk cows or does other work in a dairy. The sentence on milkmaid can be: the milkmaid milks the cow twice a day. The milkmaid milks the cow twice a day. The second word is pail. The meaning of the word pail is a bucket. The sentence on pail can be: my father carried 2 pails of water. Third word is hummed. The meaning of the word hummed is to make a low noise or sing with your lips closed. The sentence can be: Radha hummed a nice tune. Radha hummed a nice tune. Fourth word is melody. The meaning of the word melody is a song or tune of music. A song or tune of music. The sentence can be: Raman played a nice melody on guitar. Raman played a nice melody on guitar. The fifth word is tossed. Meaning of the word tossed is to move head in different directions in anger. Sentence can be: she tossed her head in anger when she lost the race. She tossed her head in anger when she lost the race. Sixth word is daydreaming. The meaning of the word daydreaming is to think or imagine something good in your mind while you are awake. To think or imagine something good in your mind while you are awake. The sentence on daydreaming can be: we should not waste our time daydreaming. We should not waste our time daydreaming. Children, I hope you have understood all the meanings of the difficult words. So children, I
now
hope you
your
all have
homework
understood
is to
the
read
chapter,
the chapter.
The Pails of
How many
Milk.
times are you going
Now
to read
comes
the chapter?
your homework.
2 times.
So your homework
Okay?
is
Bye-bye.
to read the chapter twice. So how many times will you read the chapter? 2 times. Okay? So bye bye.